Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 6 Collins English Grammar and Composition, chapter number 3, countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so here turn page number 22. Do you know how to make orange juice? So here is a list of things that you need to make fresh orange juice. To complete the recipe with words from the list of items. Okay, so here the answer. Take the 3 oranges, cut each orange into half, squeeze each half using the juicer. Then add 1 water to this and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon honey. Serve it to cold and enjoy. Underline the countable nouns and circle the uncountable nouns in this sentence. So the first, there are many restaurants in Bangalore. Okay. So here restaurant, this is countable. Okay. Then next, I need information about the tribes of Northeast India. The information is uncountable. Tribes, this is countable. My aunt owns several paintings by Raja Ravi Verma. Okay. So here aunt countable, paintings countable. I was disgusted to find a strand of hair in my food. So here strand is countable, hair is uncountable, food is uncountable. Please take as much rice as you need. So your rice, this is uncountable. Meenakshi always takes a lot of photos when she goes abroad. So photos, countable. There are not enough chairs in the classroom. So chairs is countable, classroom is also countable. There is a lot of traffic today. Traffic, this is uncountable. My uncle gave me a great deal of advice. So your uncle, this is countable, advice is uncountable. Then next, Sunita has long black hair. Here, this is uncountable. Okay, here the answer also. Then next, same page number 23, fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. Okay, so there were not many boxes left. Johnny has a lot of old toys. There is some ice cream left in the freezer. The curry needs a little salt. Help yourself to a piece of cake. There are still a few wolves in these woods. I don't have any cash with me at the moment. I am surprising my sister with a kitten. The next, the photo was taken at least 10 years ago. Then next, would you give me some advice? Then next, correct the error, same page. The sceneries in Nainital are beautiful. Okay, the scenery in Nainital is beautiful. Then next, it's not safe to drive during a rainy weather. It's not safe to drive during rainy weather. Then next, the neighbors are unpacking lots of furniture. The neighbors are unpacking a lot of furniture. Then next, many of India's history was spent under a colonial rule. Okay, so here you can write the answer. Much of India's history was spent under the colonial rule. Okay, so you can't write many. This is false. Okay, so you can write also most. Most of India's history. The most is used as singular with uncountable nouns. With countable nouns is plural. Most European countries are. So here countries is plural. That's why the verb is also plural. Most countries, European countries, are democracies. Then here the same. Most of his time. So here time is uncountable. That's why the verb is also here singular. Most of the time is spent. So you can write here much of India's history or most of India's history. Okay. Then next, I have received no informations about the theft. This is wrong. I have received no information. Please call a local police immediately. Please call the local police immediately. Then next, I heard this news at night. Okay, I heard the, or you can write this news at night. Okay, I hope you didn't go through many trouble to get here. Okay, much trouble. Resma wants to work with the poor. Work with the poor. The UN representatives are working for peace in many countries. The UN representatives are working for peace in many countries. Please pack your luggages on time. Okay, luggage, not luggages. There are a few oranges in the basket. There are a few oranges. Okay. Then how much bananas did you buy? How many bananas? Then next, I haven't got much time, not many time. How many money? Not how many, how much. Okay, so here let's write what's your favorite snack. Do you know how to make it? Then write the recipe for your favorite snack. Okay, first you have to write the ingredients, then number of quantities, then number of quantity of ingredients, then how to make it, that means method. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.